Easily recharge your motorized shades with Somfy's lithium-ion rechargeable battery pack. The charge in this rechargeable battery should last you for about a year with an average use of 1 up and 1 down cycle per day. Some tubular motors with an LED indicator will blink red when the battery is depleted, letting you know it is time for a charge. In motors without the indicator, your shades or blinds will stop working, but only temporarily. Let's charge them. Charging in place. If the battery pack charging port is accessible, simply insert the connector and plug the charger into an outlet. An extension cord is available to help reach the outlet with the battery in place. When charging in place, you can operate your shades as usual. Charging out of the brackets. If the battery charging port is not accessible, prior to charging, disconnect the battery pack cable from the motor cable connector and remove the battery from the brackets by sliding it out. While charging, the LED light is illuminated red. It takes a few hours to fully recharge, so you may want to leave it plugged in overnight. Once fully charged, it will turn green. Disconnect the cable from the battery charging port and unplug the wall charger from the electrical outlet. If the battery was removed from the bracket for charging, simply reinstall it into the mounting brackets by sliding it into place. Reconnect the battery pack cable connector to the motor connector, and you're done. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. Visit us on somfysystems.com for more clever ways to make your home smarter.